Skibbity toilet get Ohio Riz. Yes, I just said that. Because our generation is... So, let's face it, this generation with low attention spans and like AI getting better, it's harder for us to be like creative. So I thought I created another video explaining how we can think creatively. And this is like an ancient way, some people think, but it actually helps. So what is this technique? Well, it's reading. Reading can not only make you get inspiration, but it can also teach you how to think creatively as well. For example, I have this book named Brand Yourself, and this book is really good if you are like a freelancer or a graphic designer like me. It has really good techniques on how to build your online brand and stuff, and I really recommend it if you are doing freelancing or wanting to start your own design agency. But for those filmmakers or like, I don't know, writers, you could possibly just read normal fictional books because it has a lot of good ideas. And of course you can just build off other people's ideas, because I've said that in a previous video that originality is just undetected plagiarism. So yeah.
And no matter if you read on like Google Books or Wattpad or whatever, it's better than doom scrolling and looking at these brain rot reels.
I want to keep this video short because Generation Alpha, our attention spans are messed up. And for the ones that are still here, I'll give you some more tips on how to think creatively. And surprise, surprise, consuming media is actually not a bad way to gain inspiration if you're like a filmmaker or content creator as well, because if you watch other people's videos, you can get ideas. And of course, I'm not talking about short form content. You gotta embrace the long form content like movies and other forms of videos like video essays, like Summoning Salt, which are like 1 hour videos or longer. And I think these are just like really good points to get inspiration, because you can learn a lot and you can also spark your ideas. And yeah, like I said before, it all branches off from my last video talking about how originality is just undetected plagiarism.
Have you read any books in the last 2 weeks? Apart from, you know, the school text.
Absolutely not.
Do you think that reading can increase your creative thinking?
Yes, but I'm a dumbass, so I don't read.
Have you watched any long form content, like a movie or like a video essay in the past 2 weeks?
Yes, I watched a documentary on volleyball, like today.
Damn. Did you learn anything new or like get any new
Nah,
ideas?
I was playing Overwatch while I watched it.
Oh my god, bro. Do you think our generation is cooked?
Yes, and I'm a prime example of that.
So hope you guys learned something new in this video, and if you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe for more creative content. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!